Okay, the biggest mistake when taking out the curlers is that people want to pull them out. But what you need to do is actually go around like this. Okay? Like that. Like that. That way it isn't pulled out. You get this nice curl. Alright. You're going to get the curler for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Have my youngest here helping me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Do like this. You're going to go around like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like that.
That.
There we go. And that way, it's going to get trapped a little bit. There we go. That way your curl doesn't get pulled. You have these nice curls.
That's really.
So you need to make sure that you don't pull them out. Okay, so I wanted to show you that. And then we're going to have the reveal of the Disney Princess doll here in just a little bit.